everybody, this is Quick Smoke, and I have something fairly different for you. I am going to talk about something that every YouTuber should have, and it doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg to have. I made this on-air box by myself. Mostly got everything off of Amazon, and I will tell you, I'm going to show you how to make it, but I'm not going to show you how to make it because I already have this one made. I'm just going to show you the parts, and you're going to see how easy it is to make one yourself. Okay, now the box itself is just a 3D picture frame. Okay, I got this one on Amazon for about $26.95 plus I had Amazon Prime, so it was free delivery. Okay, and then the next thing you need is, let me pull it out here, is you're gonna need some lettering. Okay, just simple mailbox lettering. Comes in a package like this. Okay, I spent maybe $1 on that. And then the next thing you're gonna need are some LED lights, and I'm going to show you those in a minute, and some wax paper. Okay, so let's show you how it's put together. Okay, then I'm going to show you it working. So let's open this up. And I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can bring this in a little closer. Okay, there we go. So all I did is I put the LED lights along the side, and I don't know if you can see this, but they're just taped in. Okay, and then what I did is right back here, I drilled a hole so I could fit the cord, the extension cord, the electrical part out. Now, for this part, you could always, you can glue it in. I have this tape just to make sure that it stays, and because the sticky side of these LEDs don't stick too well. Okay, so then the next thing I have is just wax paper taped in. As you can see, here's the tape, and right on the front is where I put the letters, obviously, that say on air. Now, the really good thing about this is that alright, so the lights themselves were maybe about I think were $20, and that's all you're gonna need is that. So I paid $26 for the box, $20 for the lights. I had the wax paper at home, and then another $1 for the on-air sign. Now this is the best thing about it. Okay, it changes color. Let me see if we can get a little bit better picture of this. Let me push the light away. There we go. Now you don't have to have it cycle. It's also remote. Okay, you don't have to have it cycle if you want just red. Let's see. So you change it to white or red But I don't know why the green, as you can see the green in it, to blue or green, purple. You can have it flash. You can have it strobe. Fade. As you can see, it's slowly fading to different colors. And the last one is a smooth transition, which to me is the same as fade. Okay, you could turn up, well, I have it on the brightest setting as it, but you can turn down the brightness on it. Let me see here. There we go. Gotta make sure that that isn't seen. Well, I guess it doesn't really turn down all that dark, does it? Oh, that's the speed on how it flashes. Okay. So that's how that works. Alright, interesting. So I learned something. But anyway, that's how you can make yourself a do-it-yourself on-air light for your YouTuber relative or yourself. And as far as I know, I checked this about an hour ago, you can still order this box and get it delivered to you before Christmas. So if you want to give it as a Christmas gift, you can give it as a Christmas gift. Alright folks, well, I hope you like this. If you do, hit that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed. And if you want to help out the channel financially without the monthly subscription, there is a link in the banner of my channel. Until next time, my friends, see ya, and have a good holiday.